Good evening. Thank you so much for joining me, so Full Profit. As you guys can see here, today is Sunday evening, and it's about 6:36 p.m. What we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna go ahead and break down a couple of currency pair, and tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead early in the morning. I'm gonna break down some stocks picks. Okay, so today we're gonna be focusing on currency pair. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm Mr. Full Profit. My job is to educate. You should be doing your own research as well. And my job is to guide you to your journey. Okay. So what we're gonna do here right now. Let's see what's happening in the market. Where is the what's going on with the news? Real quick. We see NBC. That's what we gotta do first to see if we have any breaking news. Okay. Okay, the future, the Nasdaq, everything seems on pre-market. It's a little moving and stuff like that, which I expected. Let me see any news on the great thing that we saw here. Trump works at McDonald's drive-through, so it's kind of interesting, right? Boeing is trying to come up with a 35% raise, and that could end strike. Okay, so nothing major that came out. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's going on. Today is currency trading. Okay, so today we're gonna be talking about Forex. So pretty much we have the the pound versus Japanese yen. Okay, this is the daily chart. As you guys know, I'm gonna go ahead and get it closer. Team, for all my traders, when it comes to currency, it's pretty much the same thing. We're all looking at graphs. Okay, I don't want no one to be confused when it comes to graphing. Okay, so we're gonna look at the daily chart, and I just want to compare a couple of things. So stay with me and stuff like that. All right. So my job at Mr. Full Profit is to make sure that we all understand. What I do, I go with this is the pound versus Japanese and pound versus USD dollar. And what you guys see here, this is another moving average that sometime I use, which is the 50 and the 200 moving average. Okay, it kind of give me a direction. The blue one is the exponential moving average, and the red one, it's the 200 moving average. So usually, I explain a little bit. So let me see what we have going right now. So we have the pound versus Japanese, the pound versus USD, USD versus Japanese. Nothing looks good here. US CAD versus Canadian, US dollar versus Canadian dollar, Australian dollar. Nothing is really doing too much. I don't like the pattern that's happening right now. But right now, as you know, ETF, SPY, and QQQ are my favorites. That's why I do my daily trading. But sometimes I just kind of look at what the Forex market is doing, especially if I'm not doing too much and I want to make a quick buck. I go ahead and trade the currency. But since we have nothing going on right now, the only thing I see here, it's as you guys could look at this pattern. Okay, I just want to make it clear that everybody could see what I'm talking about. Okay. As you can see here, you could call that a bullish engulfing candle pattern. As you guys can see, that red and pull up. So pretty much we are looking for an upside. As you can see, it trying to fail below the 50 moving average, and it came back. And as a matter of fact, like I always say, put a line above. So right now it's trying to go up. The US, the Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, it's on an uprise. Both of them are on the uptrend pretty much. And of course, as you can see, the MACD lines are turning. So that was a quick breakdown for you guys on that one. That's my only one that I have right now that I'll be keeping an eye on the currency. Okay, so now let's go ahead and now we just did a little quick currency. I know I'm going a little fast, but what I have question is the ETF, SPY, NVIDIA, and QQQ. Okay, so let's look at SPY. As you guys can see here, okay, SPY is still bullish. Okay, under the daily chart. Team, I cannot emphasize that enough. It's above new, lower, higher. It's an uptrend position. As you guys can see, the MACD is above. Everything is above. As long as the stock is above the 50 moving average from a pullback, then again it's still in an uptrend. Okay, now Nvidia, I try to pay attention to Nvidia today and just earlier. If you look at Nvidia, it has a resistant level right now, like we spoke about it, 140 top. So we have to pay attention to see. Let me bring it down to 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, as you guys can see here, it hit 140.89. Now it's below. It's making. Now we want to see below breakout when it comes to Nvidia, below the 50 moving average. Okay, so team, be aware. 50 moving average. If Nvidia pass it and MACD start turning red, keep turning red, we're gonna go ahead and take the trade. So simple trade. But again, if it just bounced and kept running, it could curve. Don't get me wrong. It seems like Nvidia might have more push. Okay, so I'm not saying that it will go below. It might do a small pullback, but it could turn as well. But I'm looking at Nvidia as bullish, but that's what we see right now. Tesla, quick breakdown on the, let me go ahead and bring it back to the daily chart. Daily chart, as you guys can see, is consolidating around. Let me go ahead and draw something for you guys here. It's below. As a matter of fact, it bounced twice on the 200 moving average. This is a line that I need to watch from the consolidation. Right now, the MACD is still showing me red, so I'm expecting some more downside. But again, any news could bounce it off. So we have a gap to fill from 232 to 223. So that's about not too much, $9 run, but still. But we have to see it break this zone. It's called the zone. It needs to go sideways and show me which direction. Right now, it's not tradable right now for me. I want to see more clear direction. It might be 1 month. It might be 2-3 weeks. We don't know. The stock that I really like is Carvana. Carvana been rallying from 12.26 2022 right now from $3 to 196. Nice bullish run from Carvana. So okay, Bank of New York, JP Morgan, they already came out with their earning. Coin, this is the baby that I'm talking about. Coin. We are looking bullish with coin. All right, team, bullish with coin. Everything, just the thing that I would say that potentially could happen to coin, which I would trade it for 1 month out, is it might keep running because the MACD is already going, or it might do a pullback. So I'm gonna hit it in a home run, and if it goes down, I'm gonna buy some more for uptrend. As you guys could know, Bitcoin is in an uptrend as well. MicroStrategy. Team, let's do a quick breakdown for MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy, those are the top, okay? MicroStrategy has a resistant issue from 179. We draw a line, okay, and we have few support here at 185. So boom, it broke, it fell, pulled back, one resistance, now another resistance, and now it became a support, uptrend, pullback. MicroStrategy team, we're looking for bullish run, MSTR, okay? So I have a few more stock that I'm gonna be dropping tomorrow morning on the Patreon channel. So go ahead and join my Patreon if you want to get more stock freak picks. Maybe later on today, I'll probably drop it. If not, first thing in the morning, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick breakdown. So again, team, that was a pretty simple trading. I'm gonna keep an eye on the currency pair because there is anything going right now. Things are a little slow, so I just gotta keep an eye on the market. All right. So at Mr. Full Profit, like and subscribe. Thanks all my subscribers for following me and stuff like that. Go ahead and share it with your team. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow morning. All right. So thank you very much, and go ahead and join the Patreon channel. You will be able to get more access. All right. Thank you.